Hello guys, welcome all. I am Mrs. Sarla, an assistant professor of Dr. Viren Swarup Institute of Professional Studies. I am going to teach you theories of learning of your paper 3rd, Psychological Perspective of Education, which is very important topic for your exams. In your syllabus, there are two types of theories, behavioristic theories and cognitive theories. Actually, behavioral psychologists believe that the process of learning is expressed in terms of a relationship between a stimulus and a response. Means ये मानते थे कि उद्दीपक और अनुक्रिया के बीच में एक संबंध बनाया जा सकता है जिससे व्यक्ति सीख सकता है. That is, whatever a person learns, he learns by looking at the stimulus, due to which the relation between stimulus and response is established. In contrast, cognitive psychologists believe that the process of learning depends on perception, insight और understanding. संज्ञानात्मक मनोवैज्ञानिक क्या कहते थे कि जो व्यक्ति सीखता है उसकी प्रक्रिया में उसके उद्देश्य, उसकी समझ, उसकी सूझ की भूमिका सबसे ज्यादा सर्वोपरि होती है. Okay, in this video we will discuss about behavioristic theories. At first we see trial and error theory. Okay, before start the theory, at first we see some common concepts related to these theories. Stimulus and response. अक्सर ये पूछा जाता है कि इन theories में बार बार stimulus और response का जिक्र हो रहा है, तो ये क्या है? A change in environment is stimulus and the reaction of that organism is the response. Means all living organisms react to survive. Survive करने के लिए किसी भी situation के प्रति जो react करते हैं. All living organisms react to survive in any situation. That situation is called stimulus. और रिएक्शन जो उसने रिएक्ट किया, रिएक्शन टू द स्टिमुलस इज कॉल्ड रिस्पॉन्स. अर्थात किसी भी व्यक्ति का जो एक्शन होता है, एक्शन पे जो रिएक्शन होता है, कहते हैं ना एक्शन का जो रिएक्शन है, तो उस एक्शन को हम स्टिमुलस एंड रिएक्शन को रिस्पॉन्स कहते हैं. नाउ सी द कंडीशनिंग. द प्रोसेस ऑफ मॉडिफाइंग पर्सन्स और एनिमल्स बिहेवियर इज कॉल्ड कंडीशनिंग. मीन्स conditioning is that process by which an association between a stimulus and a response is established. By placing a condition, एक condition लगा देते हैं या एक extra stimulus दे देते हैं जो हमारी condition के according सामने वाला प्राणी, creature, organism, person और animal वो behave करता है. उस learning की process में बिहेवियर को मॉडिफिकेशन में हेल्प मिलती है. इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ अ ट्रेनिंग दैट बाय यूजिंग डिफरेंट स्टिमुलस रिस्पॉन्सेस करवाकर एक दूसरे के साथ अनुबंध स्थापित किया जाता है. ओके, इट विल बी क्लियर व्हेन आई विल टीच यू Pavlov's क्लासिकल कंडीशनिंग थ्योरी. लेट्स स्टार्ट द ट्रायल एंड एरर थ्योरी ऑफ लर्निंग. दिस थ्योरी वाज proposed by Edward Lee Thorndike. This theory states that learning is just the selection of correct responses and deselecting of incorrect responses by trying various sets of response. Means an organism involves the act of selecting the most appropriate response and associating it with specific stimuli. वह किसी भी कार्य को करने के लिए बहुत सी responses करता है and select करता है वो correct response जिससे वह अपने goal पर पहुंचा था. It is called trial and error or trial and success theory. To describe his theory, he told some major concepts. I will discuss only some major. First is goal. For doing learning, a goal is must. If there is no goal, no aim, a person will never want or ready to learn. Another one is drive. A drive is a state of a tension by which we prepare to do any task. हमें एक ऐसा तनाव हो जाता है कि हम वो काम करना जरूरी समझते हैं. It is must, as if we are not hungry, we will not try to earn money for food. The next one is barrier. When we do any task, some barriers, some obstacles come in this, and when we get success by doing many responses, we get satisfied and choose the correct response. Now you will understand these components through the experiment which Thorndike actually did to describe his theory. Thorndike experimented on a variety of animals like cats, fish, chicks also. In this experiment, he used a hungry cat as the subject, a piece of fish as the reward, and a puzzle box as the instrument he used. A hungry cat was placed inside the puzzle box and a piece of fish was kept outside the box. The cat could not reach the fish unless it opened the door of the puzzle box. In order to open the door, the cat had to perform a simple action of pulling a loop, which would help the cat to escape and eat the fish. उसको इस लूप को, उस लीवर को प्रेस करना था जिससे दरवाजा खुल जाता और वो फिश पा लेती. Initially the cat made random movements. All the irrelevant responses continued for several minutes until the cat hit upon the correct response by chance. In the next trial, the time taken to pull the loop reduced a bit. Thorndike continued with this exercise again and again, and finally the cat learned the trick to open the door. The name trial and error learning comes from the fact that error decreases over trials. And in this, the major concept, major components जो मैंने बताए, इसमें goal था to reach or get the bowl and eat the fish. Drive was hunger, cat का hunger होना, cat hungry थी, and the barrier was a case, puzzle box was the barrier. Okay, Thorndike gave some primary laws and secondary laws under his theory, which I have already discussed and sent the video with educational implications. Laws of learning is very important topic. I will send again this video to you. So finally, it can be said that it is a theory which makes the educational system understand the importance of learning by doing. This theory also emphasizes on problem solving by trial and error. हम बहुत से ट्रायल करके, बहुत से एरर करके अपनी प्रॉब्लम को फाइनली सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. It is also called bond theory, connectionism theory, as in this theory, by doing many trials, a bond, a connection is made between stimulus and response. Okay, so it was a Thorndike trial and error theory, stimulus response theory. In the next video, I will discuss about क्लासिकल एंड ऑपरेंट कंडीशनिंग थ्योरी का कंपैरिजन मैं डिस्कस करूंगी, जिससे दोनों ही थ्योरी एक साथ